Our 3 minutes of photography, the rule of Headspace.
Action!
The space that you have between your subject's head until the top of the edge of the frame, that's called the headspace. And let me go through with you the rule of headspace. The space here is so valuable in portrait photography. The rule states that if you are taking more of your subject's body, you should give more of this headspace. So good headspace are created by good portrait crops. Let me show you good headspace created by all these crops. As you can see, if I take more of the subject's body, I should give more headspace, then it's balanced. And let me show you what bad headspaces look like. You cannot be taking so much of body and leaving no headspace for your subject. Hey YouTube viewers, I'd like to invite you to head on to my e-learning website here and check out our premium courses. Premium courses are wide genre photography video lessons uploaded on weekly basis to our e-learning website. And once you subscribe to them, which is just $39 for the whole year, you enjoy a whole year of video lessons on every genre of photography you can think of. From lighting to camera to composition to stock photos to product photos. So hurry, head on there and support our $39 per year premium courses.